Everyone living in this apartment block in Kowloon Bay, Hong Kong, has to take a coronavirus test after the building reported at least 7 confirmed cases of COVID-19. Earlier this week, Hong Kong banned evening dining at restaurants and ordered gyms, beauty salons and massage parlours to shut in a bid to contain a 4th wave of coronavirus infections. The government has also set up temporary testing stations where people can get tested for free.
Both the government and citizens are responsible for the outbreaks. Some people are too selfish and continue to organise social activities illegally. It is also the government's fault. All travellers from overseas should be under full compulsory quarantine.
Hong Kong isn't the only place that's seen a resurgence in coronavirus cases. Malaysia is battling a 3rd wave. The country largely avoided a massive outbreak because of strict early lockdowns. But following a local election in Sabah State in late September, Malaysia started recording a rise in daily cases. Last month, hostels that house workers for a glove manufacturer were locked down after more than 2,000 workers tested positive for COVID-19.
Health officials say the number of daily new cases is likely to remain high as they expand screening on migrant workers. Authorities have also reopened a temporary quarantine and treatment centre just outside of Kuala Lumpur to deal with the increase.
In South Korea, authorities are building temporary hospitals in shipping containers as a 3rd wave of coronavirus cases threatens to overwhelm medical facilities. Many experts believe, even with a vaccine available, it will take a while before normal life can resume.
Right now, there's limited vaccine supply. Secondly, we also don't really know for sure that vaccination will stop transmission in the early stages. We're pretty good at saying, I think the vaccine says it will decrease the severe disease, but whether or not it will stop the transmission in the early stages is still, to my mind, a bit of an unanswered question.
But authorities are keen to reopen, albeit with precautions. The Thai government recently said all nationalities can apply for a tourist visa, a U-turn on an earlier stipulation that only those from low-risk countries can apply. It's even allowing big countdown events to take place on New Year's Eve. Florence, Looi, Al Jazeera, Kuala Lumpur.